Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can transfer files between your SD card and your Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Now in order for you to transfer files to your SD card, you need to use an adapter. So here I have an adapter with me. I'm going to insert my SD card in here. Okay, so put in your SD card and then we place this adapter into the USB-C port at the bottom. Once it is in, you can see there are light flashes. Then on your device, go back to the home screen and then swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, open up the Samsung folder, then tap on My Files. In My Files, go down to storage. It should show your SD card. If it does not show, maybe you need to recheck to see if it's connected correctly. So here I will double check. Make sure my SD card is correctly inserted into the slot. So it's not this way, so it has to be this way. And I'll insert it this way this time. Make sure it is fully inserted. You may need to give it a few moments for the phone to recognize the USB. So here, if it does not work, sometimes it's best if we turn it around this way. So it's still not reading. Now it is, so maybe you need to give it a few moments. So if it does not work, sometimes you need to turn it upside down. Okay, so once you're in here, you can choose to do a number of things. You can erase files or you can format your SD card. So format it. I'm just going to wait for that format to complete. Okay, after it's finished, you can now transfer files to your SD card. So in here, I'm going to go to internal storage, then go into documents, and then I will open up my holidays folder. I have some files in here. So touch and hold onto one of the files. Now you can select one file or you can select multiple files. So here, I'm going to select all three files. Next, you can choose to move or copy. So here I will choose copy. And then at the top here, tap on the home directory. Then we scroll down and then tap on USB storage. That is the SD drive right there. And then tap on copy here. Now all selected files has been copied to the micro SD card. And that's it. If you want to copy files from the micro SD card to your internal storage, you can do the same. So here we select the files from the micro SD card. Then tap on move. And then now tap on the home directory. This time tap on internal storage. Then tap on documents. And then tap on the folder that you want to move it to. So here I got my folders. And then I'm going to tap on move here. And so here, because the files are the same, I can choose to rename the file or replace existing files. So here I will choose rename. And that's it. Now you can see it added a number 2 right next to the file name. And that is how you can transfer files, videos, pictures, and music between your phone and the SD card. Now when you want to remove the SD card, make sure you unmount it first. To do that, go back to your home page in My Files, then scroll down and then tap on the More button, then tap on Unmount. And that's it. Now you can see once you have correctly unmounted, the light will stop flashing. At this point, it is now safe for you to remove the USB drive and then remove the SD card. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.